Welcome to Just a Bit of Home, and today we're going to take these dollar store picture frames and clothing of a loved one, and we're going to make a memorable piece to remember those who have passed on. So first we started with the clothes, and I used the back base of the picture frame and I cut a piece of the clothing to fit the picture frame. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to take a hot glue gun and I'm going to glue the piece onto the back part of the frame. Of course, the frame is going to be overlapped. You take an X-Acto knife or a pair of scissors and you cut off that edge, but you want to make sure that you've applied it straight. Once you have the glue hardened and applied, you're going to take your cutout. This is a heat transfer vinyl, and you're going to place it where you would like it to be. I don't have an easy press, so I'm actually going to go and iron this on. Once I have it ironed on, like this, I'm going to put it back into the frame. This one, the little back broke, so I just glued it back on. Well, taped it back on for secure. Get it back into the frame. And if you have too much excess on the back of your frame, it will be a little bit tighter to put in, but you can just maneuver it to get it to fit in. And there we go. And there we go. Easy, beautiful piece to remember your loved ones, and it has exactly what you need, a piece of them, forever in my heart, always in my soul. If you like this video, you can check me out on my Facebook page, Just a Bit of Home, and I have a website, www.justabitofhome.com. I'm also on Instagram, and I'm sure you're watching this on YouTube. If you like this, make sure to subscribe. I do all sorts of different home things, and this is one of my feel-good, beautiful pieces that I know that will be treasured for a long time. Thank you.